garlic butter lamb chops with a creamy pea puree. This right here is simply amazing. So easy to make, yet jam packed with so much flavor. And I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's get right into it and let's get started. So we are going to begin by getting a pot of water to a rolling boil. We're going to drop in a generous amount of salt, and we're also going to drop in our frozen peas, and we're going to let this go for about 20 minutes. And then this time we're going to move on to the next step, which is getting our lamb chops seasoned up. So I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of oil on these bad boys. I'm just going to rub it in, and we're going to oil up both sides, of course. And once that's taken care of, you're gonna move on to your seasoning blend. I have it listed on the screen, and it will be listed down in the description box as well, along with the rest of the ingredients for this recipe. So go ham, go crazy, be generous, and season up your lamb chops proper. And let me know down in the comments, have you ever had lamb chops? I had a friend of mine that actually never tried them. I was super surprised, and I want to know, have you tried lamb chops? Let me know down below in the comments, and if you haven't, also let me know, what are you waiting on, because it is so good. All right, now that our lamb chops are seasoned up, I got my pan here to about a medium high, and I drizzle a little bit of oil in there, and I'm gonna drop my lamb chops right on in, and I'm looking for that beautiful sear, that beautiful color on this lamb chop right here. Once we have that beautiful color on that first side, it takes about, I would say, 2 minutes or so to get that beautiful crispy crust. We're gonna flip it over to the other side, and we are now gonna drop down the heat, I'll say to more like a medium to medium low, because we are gonna baste these bad boys up with this butter. I am dropping in about 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, as well as a generous amount of rosemary and a generous amount of garlic. Once that butter is all melted up, go ahead and grab you a spoon and baste away. Baste, baste, baste like your life depends on it, baby. Get those chops covered up in that awesome, yummy, rosemary, garlicky butter. So once your chops have reached the proper temperature and they are fully cooked, you want to remove them from the heat, put them to the side, toss that rosemary and that garlic on top, and just let it rest as we finish off that pea puree. So I have already drained all the water from the peas. We're gonna drop it into the blender. We're gonna drop in a little bit of cream, as well as a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder. I didn't really need to add any more salt because it had enough when we boiled it. You do want to taste it, and if necessary, add a pinch of salt or so. And we are just gonna spread this along the plate like so, and then we are gonna stack our lamb chops. And wow, does this look beautiful or what? What an amazing presentation, and how easy is that? You can do it too. You're gonna really impress somebody with this one. That pea puree is perfection. It's so delicious. I'm letting you know right now, and it is a perfect complement to these chops right here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a like, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about today's video. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video, and I will see you on the next one. Deuces.